zien jullie er leuk uit.
Sorry?
Sorry,
Do you speak English? No Dutch.
you speak English?
Yeah, only English.
Where are you from?
From the school.
Yeah, but from what country?
Oh, Russia.
Russia!
And Kazakhstan.
Russia, Latvia and Kazakhstan?
Yes. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Sebastian.
Anna?
Hello.
Polina.
Anna, Paulina and?
Isa.
Sorry?
Isa.
Ise? Okay. That's a special name. Never heard it. So you're students
Yeah. Yes.
at the international school?
Yeah.
Ah. And why are you dressed like this?
It's last school day for graduates, so it's like the theme hippies.
Yeah. It's this
So
tradition that we
celebrating.
have here.
So
It's a tradition.
yeah.
So when you graduate,
We-
you dress up like
Yeah.
this.
Yeah. I mean, not exactly
like
like
this,
this.
but
Every year they
every-
have like a different theme, so.
Okay. And this year the theme is hippies.
Yeah.
Okay. You're not really.
Because I'm the
not graduating.
I'm
She's
not
not
graduating, so
graduating.
I'm not graduating this year. I'm
Ah,
graduating
you're not
next year.
graduating. Ah, okay. So, and are you friends?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And you met for the first time here at this school.
Yeah, that's right.
And how do you, when you come from Latvia,
Yeah.
how did you get here?
So basically we have selection through national committees, and like I was selected back home and I came here, I got a scholarship for this school. And they're also day students, so she's a day student. And we're residential students, so we live in the residences.
And I'm
And-
living with my family. Like we
Which-
just moved, so we chose international.
Your
school.
family moved.
Yeah. I mean, my mom moved for a job, and the school was here, so it's like because we don't know Dutch, I came here.
Okay. And what does your mom got a job here in Maastricht?
Yeah, not in Maastricht, but like in Limburg. So
In Limburg. Okay. And what does she do?
she works in Camelot. Like
Oh, okay, Camelot. Okay. Great. And when did you get here? A few years ago.
Yeah, like last year, September.
Okay,
Like
last year,
2 years
September.
ago.
And how do you guys like it here in the Netherlands?
It's great.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's really different from back home.
What's the main difference?
The weather.
The weather.
The weather?
True.
What do you mean by that?
Warmer, better. Like more
Raining
rain.
a lot.
It rains a lot.
Yeah.
It rains more here than in Latvia.
Yeah.
But
But it's colder in Latvia, but here it rains more.
And how long are you here now?
It's my first year.
Your first
since
year?
September.
Since September. Okay, that was after the summer. We had a very hot and dry summer here last year. So, and after that the rain came. Yeah. And other differences between. What part of Russia are you from?
Moscow for the last 8 years, but before I lived in like Asian part of Russia, like next to Japan.
Next to Japan.
Yeah.
That's totally
Yeah.
far away from Moscow.
Yeah. Like 8 hours
Goedemorgen
flight.
samen.
Goedemorgen.
Morgen. Heren, dames.
That's pretty far away from here also.
Yeah.
And how did you get to Moscow?
My mom wanted me to go to like better school, so we went to the capital.
Because your mom is educated also. Because if she works on Camelot,
Yeah.
she must have had some education,
Yeah.
I guess. And what do you want? Tell me your name again.
Isa.
Isa. How do you spell that?
ISA.
Okay, Isa.
Yeah.
Here in Holland we say Isa. So Isa, what do you want to become when you grow up?
A designer, I
A
think.
designer?
Yeah.
Fashion?
Maybe like interior design.
Okay. So when you are at home with your mother, you decorate the place?
Kind of.
Kind of? Who did your hair like that?
I did.
You did it yourself? Okay.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello. Is that also hippie style?
Yeah. Kids from our school.
Okay. More like Arafat. Okay. And what do you want to become later?
I'm not really sure, but I mean, I'm going to the university, and afterwards, well, I'm planning to study probably history or like cultural studies, and I don't know. I'm just hoping to become a good person. That's all I'm hoping for.
You're not a good
Sounds
person
like
already.
university.
I am, but I want to become even better.
Even better.
Even better.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how do you see your future in the Netherlands or back home in Kazakhstan?
I'm not really sure yet. So far I see it more at home. So yeah, later on might change. Never know.
What's so great about Kazakhstan? Tell me.
It's my home, and home is home.
That's the best reason ever.
That's
yeah.
true. Yeah, but it's also, I mean, we have a great nature. We have, I mean, I don't know. I just like it at home because it's home, and I feel like we need the professionals there as well. So when I become one, I'd like to contribute.
Ah, that's great.
Yeah.
So you're looking for a good education.
Yeah.
And with the knowledge you learn here, you will go back and contribute to a better Kazakhstan.
I think that's one of the goals, but at the same time, I don't think that it's just like better for like someone, for like this group of people, because I think that when you do good for the people, you do it like generally for the humanity. So I guess it's just doing like the global good. So I think that way.
That's real hippie thinking.
Well, I don't know, it's just a coincidence.
Free spirits. Yeah. And what about you?
I don't know yet, but I was thinking of film. So I'm taking
Film?
Yeah, I'm taking film as a subject here in school.
Okay.
And I was thinking about film, but I don't know yet. I'm not sure.
Maybe you should try Pascal's camera for a few minutes.
No, thank you. Maybe maybe later.
But film, director, actress,
I don't know yet, but I was
screenplay.
more like director.
Okay. And you will also go back to Latvia again?
I also don't know. I'm still thinking. I also want to travel more. I want to stay in other countries, at least for some years.
So your mom lives close to Maastricht?
We live like really close like
Yeah.
here.
And what about your family, Paulina?
My family lives at home.
That must be pretty tough.
Well, it's not easy, but you get used to it.
Are you a family person?
I don't know.
Are you close with your
Yeah,
yeah?
I am. Yeah.
Brothers and sisters?
Yeah, I have a younger sister.
Okay. And what do you do when you miss them very much?
I call them. I mean, I call them every day. And I still go home for breaks, like for Christmas and in summer. And yeah, we just keep in touch.
So last time you saw your family was at Christmas?
Yeah.
And so it's the last school day
Yeah.
now?
Yeah.
When will you go back?
Well, we have the exams. And after that, I'm thinking of doing like a trip around Europe. And I'm going home like in June.
Okay. Ah. So you're going to be traveling around a bit?
Yeah. I
By
think so.
train?
Probably bus.
Okay. Alone?
No, I'm looking
Friends?
for a group. Yeah.
Okay. What about you? Your family?
My family is also back home in Latvia. But I also call them every day. And I guess I'm not really a family person, but when I miss them, I just call them. So
Okay. And what about you guys? Is this friendship for life? Or
We
just school friends?
we hope so. We hope so.
No, but normally the connections that we do at this school, they stay. So I think it's that way. There is this sense of community in the school.
Yeah, and why do you think that's the case? Because everybody comes from different countries?
Well, that's one of the things, but then we all live together in the residence, well, most of us.
Yeah.
We live together, and I mean, we go through tough stuff together, through academics, through like, in general, like when you live like in the same room with like the same people for 2 years, like you really feel close to them.
Okay,
So I
so
guess
you
it's
share
that.
rooms.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's 4 people in our room.
Are you roommates?
No,
No.
but we are floor mates.
We're
Floor mates?
Yeah.
Okay. And what
I'm
you're not?
always on their floor.
Yeah. She just hangs out there.
Oh no, you
almost
live with your
loser.
mom.
Yeah,
Okay.
but I'm always there during the day. So
And what do you guys do for leisure when you have some free time, spare time?
We just go for walks. We travel when we have time.
watch a movie.
Yeah, watch some movies.
No, but also we do a lot of community stuff in here. Like we have the school events that we all come together. We have conferences. It's when we discuss the issues like as a community, and we also invite speakers. We invite people who are experts in like one or another field, and then they come and like we discuss, and there's the dialogue. But also, you just spend time with people. You talk. You explore the Netherlands, and I mean, we all do community service here. So yeah, you do some of this stuff. We're all doing some kind of a sport. I mean, for some it's more like an amateur sport. Not all of us are professionals, but we do that. So normally, like, you really don't have time to just like miss anything or anyone, because like there's always so much happening and like going on. So you're just fully in the experience.
Great. Ladies, thank you very much. No homesickness here.
I mean, we're so
Is there?
sometimes like it happens
Sometimes
sometimes.
it happens.
Thank you, Anna.
Thank you.
Can I just ask you what this is for?